Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to enable or disable the dial pad tones on this device. So first of all, let's open your dialer, and if you're not the biggest fan of those tones which are currently applied to the device, you have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and you have to do it before entering any kind of number. So three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on call settings. Now we have to find the dial pad tones option, and in my case it is turned on, so if you want to turn it off, just tap on it. Right now it is inactive, and if you will decide that you want to turn it on again, just tap on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.